Hello friends, and welcome to another What's Happening Wednesday. I hope you all survived Halloween and are getting in the Christmas spirit because it is never too early to put up your Christmas tree. But before I get started, I just want to take a moment to ask you to please subscribe to my channel. It helps me out on YouTube and it makes sure you never miss my weekly updates. And if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button. Thumbs up. So without further ado, let's talk about what's coming up this Veterans Day weekend. On Friday, Rolling Thunder, North Carolina will do a motorcycle ride for a wreath fundraiser in order to raise funds to place wreaths on each veteran's grave at the Sandhills State Veterans Cemetery and the Fort Bragg Main Post Cemetery during the holidays. Registration starts at 8 at Fort Bragg Harley Davidson, and their ceremony starts at 10 a.m. with the ride beginning at 11 and will end at Dirty Whiskey in Hope Mills. The cost is $20 per bike and $10 per passenger. There will also be a Veterans Day ceremonies at Fayetteville Technical Community College and Veterans Park in Spring Lake starting on Friday at 11 a.m. On Friday evening, starting at 7 p.m., Hatchet Brewery Company in Southern Pines will have a free comedy show, and the California Taco Food Truck will be there as well. What more could you want on a Friday night? Live comedy, great beers, and tacos. Sounds like a perfect date night to me. If going to Southern Pines is too far or hanging out at a brewery is not your style, then the Fayetteville Pie Company is doing trivia on Friday starting at 6:30 to 8 p.m. They will have 5 rounds of general trivia, and it's free to play by yourself or with a team. Prizes include a sweet pie and gift certificates. Yum! This Saturday is Fayetteville Fun Day at Dirtbag Ales starting at 12 p.m. The Hope Mills Chamber of Commerce is co-hosting the annual chili cook-off there as well, and there will also be games for kids to play and local photographers volunteering to take pictures of military families. Veterans nonprofit organizations will also be on site to provide information on their services. And if you are a beer drinker, Dirtbag plans to release their Homecoming Pilsner on Saturday as well. This weekend, Dirtbag Ales and the Hope Mills Chamber will donate a portion of the proceeds to the Cumberland County Veterans Council. If you have never been to Dirtbag Ales, it is a good place to grab a beer. They are also family friendly and give back to the community as well. It is well worth checking out. If you live out in Grays Creek and have never been to the Creek Bar and Grill, this Saturday from 3 p.m. to close is their last hurrah party. Unfortunately, they are closing, but they are going out with a bang. They are going to have a cornhole tournament starting at 3, as well as a DJ from 3 to 7:30, followed by the Highway 301 band from 8 to 11, and then the DJ will be back after the band until the bar closes. This could be your last chance to enjoy that sweet and nasty barbecue sauce as well, which if you have never tried it, I would come out just for that. And if you are a dancer, on Saturday night, the Fayetteville Arts Council is having a Latin night special. It's having a Latin night social. Bachata dance class starts at 8 p.m., followed by a social hour at 9 p.m. Cost is $10 to entry and includes the dance class. If you want to go to a holiday market, on Saturday, Carthage is having their first annual Merry Christmas, Merry Thanksgiving Festival and Holiday Market and Carthage Chili Challenge at Nancy Kieser Park. Not to get sidetracked, but is it really an annual event if it is the first one? Wouldn't the correct term be inaugural event? Technically, for it to be an annual event, it would need to be a recurring event, and since it is impossible for the first event to be recurring, then it should be inaugural or initial or even just the Merry Thanksgiving Festival and Holiday Market, right? Feel free to discuss in the comments below what your thoughts are. Should the first event be considered an annual event if it is the first time, or should it be called the inaugural? Just some thoughts by Mike. But back to the event, the Merry Thanksgiving Festival will take place Saturday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. There are going to be craft vendors, food trucks, live music, fresh produce, and the kids' play area. And if you are competitive, there's going to be pumpkin carving contest, pie eating contest, bobbing for apples, scavenger hunt, cornhole, and a chili cook-off. If you want to sample the chili, it is only $10 to sample all the chili you want. The money goes towards improving the Nancy Kieser, whatever the name is, the Nancy Kieser Park, so not only will you get to eat chili, but you'll also be helping the community as well. Finally, on Sunday, there was a holiday craft fair happening in Rayford starting at 10 a.m. and goes to 3 p.m. This holiday craft fair is taking place at 752 Laurenburg Road, which is on the west side of Rayford, just past Highway 55 and the Rayford Veterinary Clinic. There will be 50 plus vendors as well as the real Santa and sleigh for pictures, it says. Hopefully one of these suggestions suits you and you get out and enjoy the season. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure you take advantage of everything that is going on this weekend, even if it might be a little rainy. Enjoy your weekend, and until next time, have a great day, and thanks for watching.